Breaking up with your partner is one of the hardest things you can go through in life. It's even more complicated when your partner is the one who ends things. You're left feeling confused, hurt, and alone. Always remember that you are not alone. Many people have gone through exactly what you're going through right now. And most of you want your exes back. Hello everyone, welcome to Love Wisdom. If you're new to this channel, do like and subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about restarting a relationship with an ex, effective ways to get your ex back. There are many reasons someone might want to get back together with their ex. Maybe they realize they made a mistake in breaking up with you. Perhaps they were going through a tough time when they broke up with you, and they now realize that you were the best thing in their life. Whatever the reason, if you want to get back together with your ex, there are certain things you need to do to increase your chances of success. The first thing you need to do to restart a relationship with an ex is understand what went wrong. It's never easy to see a relationship end, especially if it's one you thought would last forever. If you find yourself in this situation, it's essential to take the time to understand what went wrong. Only then can you decide whether or not restarting the relationship is the right choice. There are vital things to remember when figuring out what went wrong. First, consider your actions and whether you contributed to the breakup. It's also critical to be honest with yourself about your ex's qualities and whether or not they are someone you can genuinely see yourself being with long term. Finally, think about your goals for the future and whether restarting the relationship is compatible with those goals. Answering these questions honestly will help you understand what went wrong in the relationship and whether restarting is the right choice. For many people, restarting a relationship with an ex is challenging. One of the biggest challenges is communication, or rather, the lack thereof. If you're serious about renewing your relationship on a fresh footing, you need to refrain from any forms of communication for at least a month. This means no texting, calling, emailing, or social media. The second effective way to get your ex back is to not communicate for at least a month. It may seem like a tall order, but by cutting off communication, you're giving yourselves a much-needed opportunity to step back and assess the situation. You're also giving yourselves time to calm down and process what went wrong in the first place. Most importantly, you're giving yourselves a chance to start over without the baggage of the past weighing you down. So take the plunge and go radio silent for just a month. It could make all the difference in the world. The third effective way to get your ex back is not to post negative things on social media. It's easy to get caught up in the moment and post something negative on social media. But it's important to remember that real people are behind those screens. Once something is posted, it's out there for everyone to see, and it can be hurtful. If you're going through a tough time, take a step back and consider how your words might affect others. If you're struggling with getting back with an ex, think about how your friends and family might react if they saw you bashing them online. Would it make them feel good? Would it make you look good? Most likely, the answer is no. So it's best to avoid posting negative things on social media altogether. The next way is to slow down. Restarting a relationship with an ex is often a complicated process. Before taking the plunge, there are many things to consider, such as why the relationship ended and whether or not both parties are willing to work on rebuilding trust and communication. It's also important to set realistic expectations. An ex is not likely to change overnight, and it will take time and patience to repair the damage that was done. However, if both parties are committed to restarting the relationship, it can be a rewarding experience. By taking things slow and working to rebuild trust and communication, it is possible to create a robust and lasting bond with an ex. The fourth effective way is to show them that you have changed. If you're hoping to restart a relationship with an ex, you must show them that you have changed. Depending on why your relationship ended, you'll need to take different steps to demonstrate that you are a better person now. For example, if you cheated on your ex, you'll need to rebuild trust by being honest and transparent about your whereabouts and activities. You'll need to work on communication and compromise if you constantly argue with your ex. And if you grow apart, you'll need to focus on reconnecting and rekindling the spark that initially brought you together. No matter what went wrong in your previous relationship, you must show your ex that you are a better person now. You will only have a chance to restart your relationship on a healthier footing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't ever beg and never be pity is the fifth. Praying will only make you look weak and pitiful, which is not attractive. And even if your ex takes you back, the relationship will unlikely be built on a solid foundation. After all, why would someone want to be with someone begging them to stay? It's much better to show strength and confidence, even into adversity. If you're having trouble getting over your ex, try focusing on your happiness and well-being. Work on bettering yourself. Eventually, your ex will see that you're doing fine without them. 6 is just to be true to yourself. Many people think that the best way to restart a relationship with an ex is to try to be someone they're not. They think they need to put on a show or act differently to win their ex back. But the truth is, being natural is always the best way to go. If you try to be someone you're not, your ex will see right through it. And even if you manage to win them back, it will not be an honest and lasting relationship. So next time you're thinking about restarting a relationship with an ex, just be yourself. It's the best way to go. The effective 7th way to get your ex back is don't be clingy and needy. After a month of no contact, you might be feeling a bit antsy and needy. You can communicate with them, but remember to keep it short, sweet, and to the point. Don't be clingy or needy, or you'll only push them away even further. Stay positive, confident, and focus on bettering yourself. Eventually, your ex will come around. Lastly, meet with them and do your homework, but be prepared for the worst. You should only meet with your ex if you're sure that you want to restart a relationship. And when you do meet with them, be prepared for the worst. It's possible that your ex will reject you outright, or they may try to take advantage of you. Either way, it's essential to be prepared for the worst so that you can handle the situation calmly and constructively. These are some of the effective ways how to get your ex back. If you're having trouble getting over your ex, try focusing on your happiness and well-being. Work on bettering yourself. Eventually, your ex will see that you're doing fine without them. Just be yourself. It's the best way to go. And when you do meet with them, be prepared for the worst. It's possible that your ex will reject you outright, or they may try to take advantage of you. Either way, it's essential to be prepared for the worst so that you can handle the situation calmly and constructively. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye.